Jai Hind to dear students. I, Pooja Saxena, welcomes you all in your GK class. Hope you all are fine and healthy. Today I will explain you chapter number 36 and chapter number 38. Okay, dear students. Let's start our class with chapter number 36, page number 45. Okay. Students, you know what are medical specialists? Medical specialists are doctors who have completed advanced education and clinical training in a specific area of medicine. Medical science today is expanding and becoming highly specialized. Specialty doctors have a training in a specific area of medicine. Here we take a quick look of the most popular type of doctors like therapist, surgeon, dermatologist, cardiologist, dentist, etc. Okay. Now let's start our exercise with question number 1. A person suffering from kidney stone problem will go to a means if a person is having a stone problem in kidney, which medical specialist will treat the problem? And the answer is urologist. The urologist is a medical professional that specializes in a urinary system. In ancient times, doctors used to examine the urine of a patient for clues about their illness. Urology is a branch of medicine that focuses on a medical conditions of the male and female urinary tract system. Second question is, a person will take his child for treatment to a means if a child is suffering from any disease like fever, cough, cold, etc., they will take his child for treatment to a pediatrician. A pediatrician is a medical doctor who specializes in the physical, behavioral, and mental health of children from birth till the age of 16. Let's come to question number 3. A person having heart problem will consult a means if anybody is having a heart problem, which medical specialist will treat the problem? And the answer is cardiologist. Cardiology is a branch of medicine that deals with the disorder of the heart as well as some part of the circulatory system. Question number 4 is, a person requiring to get an X-ray and sonography done will see a. That means if anybody is requiring to get an X-ray and sonography, which medical specialist will treat the problem? And the correct answer is radiologist. Radiologists are medical doctors that specialize in diagnosing and treatment injuries and diseases using medical imaging procedure such as X-ray, computed tomography, nuclear medicine and ultrasound. Let's come to question number 5. A person having a fractured bone will got to an means if a person having a problem of bone fractured, which medical specialist will treat this type of patient? And the answer is orthopedic surgeon. An orthopedic surgeon is trained in the diagnosis and treatment of spinal disorder, arthritis, sports injuries, trauma and fractures. Okay. Next is, if a person with skin problem will consult to a which medical specialist? And the answer is dermatologist. A dermatologist is a doctor who specializes in condition involving the skin, hair and nails. A dermatologist can identify and treat more than 3000 conditions include eczema, psoriasis and skin cancer. Question number 7 is, If a person securing a blood, urine and stool test, which medical specialist will diagnose? And the answer is pathologist. A pathologist is a medical health care provider who examines bodies and body tissues. They are also responsible for performing lab tests. Next question is question number 8. For brain related problems, a person will consult a means if a person is having a brain related problems, which medical specialist will treat? And the correct answer is neurologist. A neurologist is a medical doctor with specialized training in diagnosing, treating and managing disorder of the brain and nervous system. Now let's come to question number 9. A person inspecting dreaded cancer will see an. That means a person inspected dreaded cancer. Which medical specialist will treat this type of disease? You know what is the meaning of dread? Dread means to feel extremely worried and frightened about something. And the correct answer is oncologist. Medical oncologist treat cancer using medicating including chemotherapy, immunotherapy and targeted therapy. And the last question is for getting the eyesight checked, a person will go to a. That means if a person want to getting the eyesight checked, which medical specialist will treat? And the correct answer is ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist is a medical osteopathic doctor who specializes in eye and vision care. Now let's come to chapter number 38 and page number 47. New species discovered. Students, you know what is the meaning of new species? New species means a group of plants or animals in which the members have similar characteristics to each other and can breed together. Okay. First is new frog species discovered in Assam, paddy frog. New frog found in Assam after northeast India. A team of scientists, including Delhi University researchers, discovered a new species of paddy frog in Assam. The frog Microlata ishani was named after the Sanskrit word Ishani, meaning northeast in reference to northeast India. Researchers revealed the new frog is reddish brown in back and dark streaks and ash gray mottling in the both sides. The first known species of this genus was originally described by Sumatra in Indonesia. As of now, there are only 4 recognized species in this group and Microlata ashni becomes the 5th. Okay. Next topic is one of the India's smallest orchids discovered in Assam, the parasitic bloom. Okay. Laconorchis taiwaniana, a type of orchid accidentally discovered in Assam by Assam's forest officer. His name is Jatinder Sarma. He is also the member of Secretary of State Medicinal Plant Boards. The orchid species is already known in Japan, Taiwan and Laos. This is discovered first time in India. It is India's one of the smallest botanically recorded orchid in terms of size and duration of bloom. Its discovery was published in Japanese Journal of Botany with title as New Records for the Flora in India. India has about 1300 species of orchids, out of which 1800 are found in NCEI. About 300 species are found in Western Ghats and 200 in Northern Himalayas. Okay. And the third topic is 26 million year old species of vine snake found in Western Ghats. Researchers from Indian Institute of Science have discovered a new vine snake species believed to have evolved around 26 million ago in the southern Western Ghats. The species Rhoetula antiqua was first discovered in 2011 and looked similar to Ahetula disper, a small sized vine snake with similar morphological characters. They are not only a new species but also belong to a new genus. The team has described the unique features of this snake. Vine snakes get their names because of their slender bodies and vine-like appearances. While they are similar species in Africa and South America, in India there are 4 species of commonly distributed vine snakes and another one was discovered in Odisha recently. Fourth is peacock parachute spider, Tarantula. The team of wildlife researchers found clinically endangered species of Tarantula, peacock parachute spider. Its known habitat is the Eastern Ghats near Jinji in Villupuram district of Tamil Nadu. It is the only species in spider that is covered with blue hair. When it is young, it is less colorful, and when it matures, it turns blue. It is commonly known as peacock parachute spider or Guti tarantula. It is endemic in India. The International Union for Conservation of Nature categorized it as critically endangered. Okay. And the last topic is India's first dragon blood oozing tree, Dracna cambodiana. Researchers discovered Dracna cambodiana in Assam's West Karbi Anglong district. Assam has added to India's botanical wealth a plant that yields dragon blood, a bright red resin used since ancient times as medicine, body oil, varnish, incense, and dye. We found the dragon tree species on hilly rock crevices within a 0.5 square kilometer area. Dracna cambodiana is an important medicinal plant as well as ornamental tree. Okay. Students, I will send PDF of question answer related to this chapter. You all have to write question answer in your GK copy. Okay. And chapter number 39, know more about the armed forces, is your homework. That's all from my side. Have a fruitful day.